5 people want it. This is video D7. It should be helping you whenever you're trying to divide numbers that have lots of zeros and equals 0. By the way, right away you notice I got a warning at the top. This only works for zeros at the end of numbers, which wouldn't make a lot of sense if you start with cross out the same number of zeros outside and inside the box. Then I'm just going to divide what's left. So if I come down to this first one, 270 divided by 30, I got 1 0 on the outside of the box. I'll mark it out so I can mark out 1 0 on the inside of the box. And then I'm left with 27 divided by 3, which is 9. And that's my entire answer. People go, but you don't have a number above the 0. That's okay, because we really got rid of it when we got rid of both of these zeros. Try the next one. The fewest zeros are on the outside, so I'm going to mark them out first. 2, so I need to get rid of 2 zeros on the inside. And now I'm left with 160 divided by 4. How many 4s in 16? 4. 4 times 4 is 16, right? So I know when I subtract that, there would be nothing left. If I bring down, I still have a 0 there, right? How many 4s in 0? 5 up there. 5 times 6 is 30. When I subtract, I get 5. Besides that, if I go to check that one, think about how we did this when we multiplied. We multiplied the numbers together. So 4 times 4 is 16. Count how many zeros in all. 1, 2, 3. 6 times 6, 6 times 7. Give me my 16,000 that's on the inside. Try this one out. It looks like they both have 3 zeros at the end, so I can get rid of them. And then I'm just left with 24 divided by 8. 8, 16, 24. 3. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, these kind of problems are not going to have remainders, at least when I'm making them. Alright, here we go. Okay. Remember on the page before I gave you a warning that this only works for zeros at the end of numbers. So here's a couple of examples that would not work. 12,000 divided by 104 will not work because this 0 is not at the end. So I can't mark him out. And in this other problem, 2045, this 0 is not at the end, so I can't just mark that one out. You'd have to go through and do the entire problem instead of getting a shortcut kind of way. 28's too big, so I'm going to go with the try a few more out. 2, 3 of them. 3, 7, get rid of 1 0 on the outside, so I can get rid of 1 0 on the inside. Not another number here to bring down. Please take the 1 off at the end, because it's going to make it easier for you to see what's going on. How many 7s in 49? Have you tried one? There's none in 4. How many 7s in 49? 7 7s hanging on a line. How many 5s in 4? None. Don't forget you got that one more 0 to bring down. So 0 times 5, 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down my 6. 200. How many times does it go into 16,000? I get rid of 1 2 zeros there. Get rid of 1 2 zeros there. How many 2s in 16? 8. 50. And I just got 1 6 0 to add on. But less than 50, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I may even want to think this way. 45. I get rid of those 1 2 zeros. In fact, I got 1. What times 5 equals 10? Good so far. Brings my 8 down. How many 5s in 18? Try this one out. 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. What times 4 equals 24? Nothing else to bring down, so that must be my remainder. 93, remainder 3. 1 0 inside, 1 0 outside. How many 9s in 81? What times 9 equals 81? Just a 9. Here's one where we're going to get a little trickier. 2 zeros on the outside. 2 zeros on the inside. Now, in my head, I like to think this way. What times 6 equals 36? 6. How many more zeros we got down here? 2. So I'm going to need 2 more zeros there. Give you a couple to try out. 1 2 3 on the inside. 1 2 3. 3 on the outside and 3 on the inside. My fault. How many 8s in 40? Well, there's none in the 4. How many 8s in 40? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And then notice we've got 2 zeros we haven't used here yet, so they both need zeros above them, so it would be 500. 18,000 divided by 30, get rid of 1 0 each way. There are 6 3s in 18. And then we still got 2 more zeros left here that we haven't used yet, so it'll be 600. One more time. You ready? 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros. 2 times what equals 6? 3. And then I got 1, 2 zeros left, so 300. Get rid of an outside and an inside zero. How many 8s in 7? 9. How many 8s in 72? 8 times 9 is 72. Nothing left. And then I have that 1 0 right there, so my answer is going to be 90. And let's give you one more page. These can be tricky for some people. Let's do one more. Stop the video when you try it out. 1, 2 zeros on the outside. 1, 2 on the inside. How many 9s in 36? 9 times what equals 36? 4. I got 1, 2 more zeros after it. 400. Get rid of 1, 2, 3 on the outside. 1, 2, 3 on the inside. How many 7s? 7 times what equals 21? 3. I got 1 0 left. 30. Shortcut way is nice, isn't it?